uh, inevitable means those act. Yes ma'am, say. बोलिए, आपने हाथ उठाया ऐसा. Inevitable means those. Yes, yes ma'am, I have a privilege to sit here. Inevitable means those acts where the act is that particular event or particular thing cannot be stopped. Means that particular person cannot stop that particular act, or which is not in his control. Means some act, some incident which is taking place, which is not in his, it is not in his own control. Okay. Example is of voyage where the particular person was throwing a cargo. Okay. Means situation has arise something that will also come in the necessity also. वो voyage वाला definition will come in the necessity also. Inevitable, I can naturally say some act or something which taken place where the due diligence was already taken. Means an ordinary person, what he can do, he has done that particular thing, still the injury has caused. Means the technical word is that ordinary diligence. What is the technical word? Ordinary diligence. That diligence has been used that any ordinary person will use. Extraordinary का बात नहीं होगा. Definition is ordinary diligence. Ordinary diligence means any person will take care of that. For an example, I know the person who is in my prison is having a psycho intention to commit a suicide. If I have not taken a vigilant care and he committed a suicide, that's a gross negligence. But I have ensured every measure which is required for an ordinary way that other person will also do, still he commits certain act, I am not liable because that act is inevitable. He committed, he has that habit, but I have acted in my ordinary diligence. Okay? For an example, I have already kept the clock maintained. That clock is there. I am continuously maintaining it. I am taking every measure that it doesn't fall. But still it falls. Then the injury is there. Still, the defense is that inevitable. We take every diligence which ordinary person will take. But then the principle of strict liability comes into the picture. Okay? But this will hold a defense to give him minimum punishment. This will reduce his punishment because this is a proper defense that he has taken an ordinary diligence. Still the act has happened because it is not in his capacity. Act of God. Act of God means vis major. Whenever I am talking about an act of God, that means something which has happened which was not in my control. I have given you one example, Rayland versus Fletcher के अंदर add-on, not an original case of Rayland. Rayland versus Fletcher का case will be strict liability. Whenever I am talking about act of God, I have given you add-on explanation that heavy rain take place because of that reservoir gets bursted and the water enters the mine. So in all this situation where adequate measure has been taken, but something which has happened extraordinary, not ordinary. Ordinary rainfall होता है, then reservoir burst, strict liability is there. But extraordinary act has taken place. This natural flow plus extraordinary act. Extraordinary act has taken place. If these two parameters are there, then the vis major is there. And if the vis major is there, the defendant is no more liable. He will say, Baba, it is an act of God, act of God, act of God. Okay? So, BNFI, plenty for wrongdoer, inevitable, act of God. Fifth, PD. What is PD? Private defender. So, I have given you three formula of PD. It should take place instantly for the defense of property or person. For property or person, instantly, and equitable force. Equitable force, legal term, it is known as proportionate force. legal term. In a legal term, it is known as proportionate force. So whenever I am talking about PD, there should be no withdrawal. Means, for an example, I and he had a heated argument. He slapped me. I went home. I came next day. Then I slapped him. No, that will not take place. It has to be at same moment, same time. So the components for the PD is instant, proportionate plus same force. Then proportionate हो गया. Instant, proportionate and same nature. Means mostly it should be of same nature. मैंने हाथ मारा तो तुम हैमर लेके मत मारने लग जाओ. बोलोगे नहीं मैं प्रोपोर्शनेट फोर्स ही लगाऊंगा बट मैं हैमर से मारूंगा. Okay? No. So it should be at an instant. If other person, we have a heated argument, he slapped me. Once he slapped me, he was going back. He was withdrawing from that particular act. He withdrew from the act by going back. And if I enter upon that particular withdrawal and attack that particular person, then also the PD will not take place. Withdrawal आप समझ लो एक बार. For an example, he and I was having a heated argument. He slapped me. After slapping, I waited. I did not react on the moment. Then he started withdrawing from the act. Means he started going back or he was going outside. Then I went back side and I bet him like anything. मतलब वो जा रहा था बाहर, मैंने पीछे से मार दिया. Or even he was withdrawing like this. I slapped him. If the withdrawal is there and I attack, then in that situation there is no PD. PD should be at the same instant. Okay, slap walking में instant पे होना चाहिए. It should not be after the withdrawal of the other side. अगर withdrawal के समय हो रहा है other side के, it can be easily seen on the CCTV camera. Then I will say PD is not applicable. Mistakes. I said, law says mistake of law and mistake of fact is no excuse. Defense will only be there if this mistake is apart from law and fact. If this is from the law and fact. मतलब मिस्टेक, इनोसेंट मिस्टेक, आपको आपके प्रॉपर्टी पे मैं गलती से चला गया, बट दिस विल नॉट गिव यू एन एक्सक्यूज यू कैन एंटर अपॉन एनीबॉडीज प्रीमाइसेस. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, आप मिस्टेकली किसी के विला में घुस गए, यू एंजॉयड द स्विमिंग पूल एंड एवरीथिंग एंड देन यू केम आउट और बाबा सॉरी मिस्टेकली आ गए थे. नो, यू कैन डू. सो मिस्टेक ऑफ लॉ एंड फैक्ट इज नो एक्सक्यूज, बट इट help you in a defense. It help you in a defense to show your innocence. But even in this definition also, in a defense also, they have clearly said it. Mistake of law and fact is no excuse. In the legal language, they have said it is no excuse. But it gives you slight leverage for your defense. Okay? Necessity. Necessity I have already covered. There is a voyage, there is a movement where it is required to take care. For an example, operation of the patient was carrying on. Meanwhile, there comes the additional scenario where second subsequent operation has to be taken care. Now, none of the relatives were present in the premises. Doctor waited for a reasonable time, but he found that if the delay will be taken, then the patient will suffer. So he took him for the second operation. Then the relative came and filed the case for damages that you have done the operation. Purpose is to monetary extent. But if the court, if the doctor is able to produce sufficient document to show that it was a necessity of the art to take a prompt action, then will be a defense. Statutory authority. Statutory authority means any department, any authority, police uses the lathi charge to disperse the crowd, to maintain a law and order. So any act which is done in this capacity will be statutory authority.